Yeah, with you.
Me.
And me.
And me.
Namhlanje, I'm so happy because ndidibana nomhlobo wam uCindy. Andithethi nefamily yam ngezinto zam uba ngaba kwenzeka ntoni, the struggles in my relationship. Ndiyayazi into yoba ke every time ndidibana naye ndiphuma ndingomnye umntu because uCindy asicingi ngokufanayo, u-objective. Oh, wow. Cindy has been that friend that has become more than a friend to me. She's family. Hi, otherwise, all right?
I'm good, yes, doll. Right, well.
Bit training. Kaloku laa nto yapha endlini, ndibuyele phaa kumama and tata uJafta.
Ithini issue yenu nina? Kungabe kungathini ngumama?
Kaloku i-issue yethu, I think is laa nto yokuba ngaba how do we move forward? Because kaloku zange si-involve kule nto yabo yasemtshatweni. uCindy xa endibuza ngomtshato kamama uba ufuna uthini wena, yintoni lena ufuna ubabona ndivele ndingakwazi ndixakwe into yoba ngaba yintoni endiyifunayo. Siya njani kutata uJafta, sidibana njani nabantwana bakhe, abantwana bakhe how do they feel about this? Uyabona, and kamandi ke ngabantu esibaziyo, but uyabona ukuba ewe ingathi ikhona muscle attention. How do I relate nabo? Like I don't have other siblings except ezindinazo siblings, so ithini le nto? And aba bantu badala, into yoba kudala sithetha ngalo mtshato kamama, you know, as the family, into yoba but mama awuzange usi-involve ngendaba yomtshato wakho. How are you expecting us to support you?
Otherwise wena nje uright emoyeni.
I don't know. I don't know. Yeah.
Oh man, Dola. Oh my friend. No, Dola, man. No, my friend, man.
You guys have settled quite well here, though, now, at this point.
It hasn't been quite what I expected, though, I must say.
In what way?
I just felt like because we're here with Mama and everything, I feel like it's brought actually more issues in a way, more like the interpersonal issues that they've been having.
Okay, just because you're like closer to each
now
other.
they're finally able to express it and deal with it. And I mean, it's been long, you know? It's like all of a sudden all these expectations are coming out of nowhere, and
in terms
there's been a whole decade and blend some to express the stuff, and now all of a sudden it's coming out.
Proximity does that, though, right?
Yeah, but it's, you know.
You are around now, so the expectation is greater that you are gonna kind of fulfill certain roles and stuff, but I don't know.
She's married to a Xhosa guy, so she's very well aware of the dynamics with in-laws and that kind of thing.
You are a very spiritual person, and I know that you credit that a lot for what
pray through
you
it,
get
girl.
by.
In Jesus' name.
Your faith is just admirable, really.
When I'm going through a really dark time or challenge or whatever, there is nowhere else to turn. And I feel like that's not why I turn to it, but I feel like it gives me peace. I do think having this kind of group of friends is giving me hope that the move down to GQ isn't totally just about hubby and his work, and that I can actually live here and feel like I can build a home here.
I am looking forward to Cape Town, but
now I have somewhere to come and visit.
Yeah.
I'm not breastfeeding, so I can go.
So we can have some wine.
Champagne.
Something.
Wine and champagne.
Cheers.
Cheers.